So today we're going to be unboxing my November Ipsy bag, and I'm kind of excited because last month's bag was honestly really amazing. Like, Ipsy did such an incredible job with my October Ipsy glam bag, so I'm really excited to see what they do for November because November is Thanksgiving, and I'm kind of hoping that from the basic design that they have on the bag, it doesn't look too exciting. Like, the bag doesn't look like they spent too much time into it. I'm really hoping that they put like all of the time that they spend designing the bag instead putting inside amazing products and designing an amazing November Ipsy bag. The first thing that I'm pulling out is from Mark Anthony. That's a word that I haven't seen in so freaking long. A True Professional Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Miracle Treatment. I honestly loved getting hair care samples from Ipsy, but I haven't gotten any in like such a long time. Like, stuff like this, literally, like, I just love using it. I love experimenting with it, and especially since I've cut my hair a little bit shorter now, I'm trying to figure out some new hairstyles instead of just putting it up in this poof. So I'm really excited that I got this intense moisture to defrizz curls. Like, I'm excited to see what I can do with this in my hair. The next thing that I'm pulling out of my November Ipsy is a freaking nail polish. This is from Einar Cosmo Beauty Nail Lacquer, and this is Proud Coat. Okay, I have to say something else about Ipsy, and I don't give them enough credit for this. They do an amazing job of sending out products from brands that I have never heard of before, brands that I've never even seen before. So yeah, so if you're somebody who's into like trying out new brands and experimenting a bit more than you would say with Birchbox, because Birchbox sends out a lot of familiar brands, I would recommend Ipsy. So this is the really pretty, honestly, so pretty. This is the nail color that I got in my bag. I think this is going to be such, I love the nude, and I think nude nails for Thanksgiving, like, it's so pretty. This is a nail lacquer. Love the shade. I love the rose gold topper for the brush applicator handle, I think is what that's called. The next thing that I'm pulling out of my bag is from Sia London Wonderland Mascara. I got a mascara. That's really exciting, and I've never seen this mascara ever before in my life. Like, I've never even heard of this. So we've got a very reflective silver tube, and then we've got white stars on the handle of the tube. Let's see what the bristle looks like. Oh my gosh, does that look like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to anybody else? Because that's the vibe that I'm getting from this. I already have mascara on, so we can't test this out today, but I promise you guys I'm getting to makeup tutorials. I have so much coming for the new year. I've got my work from home videos coming again. I've got makeup tutorials. Like, I'm going to be filling up so much content. So really, truly, I will promise you guys, I am promising you guys that I'm getting back to makeup tutorials very soon. So if you're curious about what any of these products look like in application, just let me know in the comment section down below. The next thing that I'm pulling out is something I have literally never seen before, and I'm so excited. It says Twisted Kiss. This is a matte lip pencil. Look at the font. It's kind of like a hint at like Twisted Sister and like The Kiss, like the two rock bands. I realized I didn't even have it right, so you guys couldn't read it, but it says Twisted Kiss. Love the font. I love the stars, but I think I'm gonna love the lip color even more because this, like, it's kind of a little bit lighter than the shade that I'm wearing today. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it says EF. It's got EF like imprinted in the top of the lipstick. And it has like a light coconut smell, like scent. It has a light coconut scent to it, which is like, I've never actually, I always get vanilla. I always get lip products that smell like vanilla, but nothing coconut. Oh, okay, so I would have to definitely do like 2 swatches with this, but that is such a freaking pretty color. Oh my gosh, that is really pretty. And for this being matte, this definitely felt very creamy on the back of my hand. Literally, I got an item in each category. So I got skincare, I got eye makeup, I got nails, I got hair care, and I got a lipstick shade. So I got 5 items in like every category. Like, technically I did get 2 makeup products, but I got something for my eyes and something for my lips. So that is literally so amazing. I'm actually so in love with this bag. But there really isn't a product in here that I'm disappointed in. Like, literally, I think this is the best Ipsy bag that I've ever gotten. And I will admit, I'm like so irresponsible when it comes to rating my subscription boxes. I have not put in any sort of like rating or review or anything like that in my Ipsy bag, and I don't even know how long. And so for me, not really customizing my profile, like, I did fill out a beauty profile, but I didn't go in and fill in any information on the glam bags that they sent me before. This one literally hit the nail on the head, and I'm so in love with it. So that's it for my November Ipsy bag. What did you guys think of this bag? Do you think this is the best bag I've ever gotten? What did you think of that matte lip pencil? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.